G'day folks, it's the Motorrad Rider again. Now today we're going to do a short video on the unboxing of the GS Adventure luggage. Now I don't know whether you've seen any of this before, but we thought we'd show you. The difference with this one is it's black. Okay, so stand by, stay tuned, and we'll go through the unboxing. So here we go. Okay, opening the box up. You can see how thick the cardboard is and how well it's packed. You've got workshop installation instructions are available. That's just a little note there. Okay, so we'll put that to one side for the time being. And you've got this cardboard lid that basically lifts off, and you can see there that it is quite substantial the way it's been made. We'll put that to one side, and you can see in there how well this has been packed. It's really not going anywhere. There's no marks or anything on there. There's a little bit of dust from the cardboard, but essentially it's travelled extremely well. So what we'll do, we'll take that pad out, and we'll take that pad out. Just lay it there, and then what we will do, we will lift the beastie out, and there you have it. This is the new black luggage from BMW. Now I'll just push this box to one side and we'll put her on the floor, and just move that to one side. Move this out of the way, and we will open up. Now this is quite incredible. It should lift up, it hinges up, and that's what you've got. It's extremely well made. That seal there, we just got to put that back on. It's just come up a little bit, but that's no great dramas. It's just moved. Actually, it's come out of the lid recess there, so we just put that back up. It's just looks like it's just stuck on that ridge. So that's no great drama. We can do that. So I'll just put that in there. Interesting to see. Just putting that in. And feed that through. And we're just wanting to be a little bit stubborn. But she's in. And once that's sat in the lid and been under pressure for a while, that'll be fine. But you can see it's a substantial unit. The beauty with these boxes is too that you can actually open from either end, so that latch is shut. If I can, there we go. And if you spin it around, you can latch from that end as well, which is really quite handy. Okay, so we put that in the right place, latch down, and then this particular one is for the non-exhaust side, because it's a full-sized box. There's the latch for holding it onto the GS Adventure racks. The difference between this box and the exhaust side is the exhaust side's got a cutaway, and it's also got a heat baffle on there to stop the inside of the box heating up due to the exhaust. So there you go. Look, and I will do a review of this luggage, a more in-depth review with the other pannier, the exhaust side pannier, and also the top box. So at this stage in time, we'll keep this video short. That was the unboxing of one of the panniers, and I hope you found it interesting, and we will look forward to seeing you in the next video. So thank you very much for watching the Motorrad Rider, and we will see you next time.